I am nurse.
Okay, that's nice. So how many years of experience do you have?
5.
Would you like to tell me a little more about that?
I go to baby nursing college. Then I go to hospital at Thrissur.
Okay, that's good. Tell me about a crisis situation at clinic that you may have faced. Crisis situation at clinic.
Patient come with full blood to hospital at 3 o'clock in the morning. I treat with full first aid kit. Doctor tell Mary, well done. Patient go without blood and give me 150 rupees.
Wait a minute.
Anything else that you've done at the job?
I do heartless injection.
I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you.
I do injection, no pain to the patient.
Okay, so now tell us why you think you're suited for a position of the hospital floor supervisor.
I am good nurse.
And
I am a good nurse and a honest nurse.
anything else?
Everyone speak Malayalam in Gulf. I want to go to Gulf. My brother there.
Why should I hire you at Qatar Fertilizers?
Sir, as I told you, I am good, I am hard worker, I am responsible person. I want to make your company as a pride for the nation. My passport is ready, Tatkal made.
So tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am sitting in front of yourself, myself Rakesh Mohanty, and I am technology mad. But if you will ask me what is my passion, I will say hardware. But this is for the first time I am doing on Spiky.
Skype, you mean?
And a life.
Go on.
Sir, I am from Jharsuguda. I studied 10th Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, graduate Cambridge Institute Ranchi, not from England, note it. And I am putting my screwdriver everywhere and seeing what is happening. I am a hidden scientist.
Okay, so what experience do you have?
Sir, I am working with BSNL telephone company. Whenever the line goes up, I ride the telephone khamba and make the line good. And during my spare time, I chat on girls on Facebook.
Okay.
And also I collect pan masala wrappers. I have a huge collection, almost 2000.
And how do you see yourself progress in this career?
Sir, I will have a fruity career in your steamy company and I will perform and reach the climax position.
Will you have any problems shifting to Oman?
Sir, I do not have any problem to shifting abroad country, but I will not change my religion. Otherwise, I am very open-minded and I am always happy, even when I am sad. And I am morally very good, morally very high. And I have also my resignation letter ready from BSN.
जीप तली ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है
I enjoy speeches and music, and I am an accomplished dancer, you know. Thanks to my scintillating body shape. Actually, this is all thanks to my aggressive dancing. If you want, I can stand up and show my full profile.
Wait a minute.
No need. So, why did you apply for this position of Marine Superintendent?
Actually, I'm a good swimmer, and I have a national award in champion in West Bengal in my school level.
You don't have to swim, you have to supervise a ship.
Cholbe. Supervising coming naturally to me. I have done many supervisor work, and I have supervised 2 years in on jetty near Habda for 2.5 years, and supervising all kind of supervising, loading, unloading, lifting, shifting, all supervising happen under my nose. Do supervising very skillfully and strictly. No ladies things or any other goods stolen during my traveling on me.
Sir, you really don't have the relevant experience.
Do you think working on the shift is very difficult? No, it is not.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Because I am a very intelligent person, and getting me is very lucky for you. I have done many supervisor work, and I am a very skilled person, and I think you should give a chance to me. If you give a chance to me, I will work very good.
Okay, thank you.
So, when should I join?
We'll get back to you.